All right, let's solve another interesting question under circuit analysis. All right, so the question says we should find the equivalent resistance between the terminal A and terminal B. All right, you are going to observe that if we connect a voltage source across terminal A and B, the current that will enter into this branch will be different from the current that will enter into this branch. Similarly with this and this. So it shows that this is in parallel with this and this is in parallel with this. All right, so if we call this one R1 and call this R2, R3, this is R4, this should be R5. So we can say that R1 is parallel to what? R2. So we can find the equivalent resistance between these two. So we can call that RT1. So this will be 2 multiplied by 2 all over what? 2 plus 2. So this is 4 divided by 4, which will give us 1 ohms. So similarly, R3 is parallel to R4. Alright, so I'll call this RT2, which will be equals to 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4 divided by 4, which is going to give us 1 ohms. Alright, so the combination of this and this is going to give us 1. So it shows that we can redraw the circuit by cleaning what we have here. So I clean this, and can therefore replace what we have here with 1 ohms and 1 ohms. So I'm going to have 1 ohms here. Also going to have 1 ohms here. So this is going to be RT2, this is going to be RT1. I hope we understand this. Alright, so the next thing you are going to notice is that this 1 ohms and this 1 ohm, they are going to be in series, right? So we are going to add the two together. So we are going to have RT3 now. RT3 will be equals to RT1 plus RT2. That is 1 plus 1, which is going to give us 2 ohms. Alright, so can therefore clean this. So can redraw this. Alright. So let's therefore draw the resistor now. So which is 2 ohms. So we can therefore calculate the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Now you can see that this and this, they are now in parallel, right? So this 2 ohms is in parallel with these 2 ohms. 2 ohms is parallel to 2 ohms. All right, so the equivalent resistance there, R equivalent, will be equals to 2 multiplied by 2 all over 2 plus 2, which will be equals to 4 divided by 4, which will give us 1 ohms. So here is the solution to the above question. I hope we understand this. Our venture today is the first time of coming across our content. Do well to smash on the notification bell, and so that anytime we upload video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be in need of it.